Educational Use Notice. This training video provides general guidance based on current accurate practices. It does not replace clinical judgment, institutional policies, or official protocols. Users are responsible for verifying the content and implementing it safely within their professional scope of practice. No liability is assumed by the creators or affiliates of this video. AI-generated subtitle disclaimer. These subtitles are automatically generated and may contain errors or inaccuracies. Viewers should rely on the original audio in cases of uncertainty. Hi guys! Welcome to this video. It is the newborn unit orientation video. We have been working really hard with the maternity department to make this video for you students to help you in your maternity and NBU rotation. We're making this video to target three main problems. First, many times students will come into the rotation lacking a baseline or foundation of knowledge, and this impedes their ability to help with patient care. Secondly, throughout the rotation, the nurses do a lot of teaching, but without a solid foundation or baseline, the nurses end up doing a lot of repetitive teaching, which takes away from their ability to focus on patient care. And then finally, once the students get trained up and get that good solid foundation and are able to help with patient care, the rotation ends and the students leave and a new group of students come in and the whole cycle starts again.
So the goal with this video is to first give you as students a really great foundation of knowledge for you to feel confident walking into the NBU. Secondly, it's to reduce the amount of retraining that the nurses have to do that takes away from patient care. And most importantly, we hope that it will lead to better patient outcomes in the NBU. So the better foundation that you have as a student, the more that you can effectively contribute to patient care in the NBU.
So in this video, we're going to cover the newborn unit operations that include daily routines and workflow. We are going to cover touch time and general patient assessment. We are going to cover basic neonatal resuscitation as well as familiarization with the newborn unit equipment. We hope this video will be helpful for you as a student as you begin your clinical rotation.
So we'll see
you
soon.